Hello and welcome to another video here today from Iceland. Check it out. There's literally ice everywhere in this country. It's pretty cold, but it's pretty good. It's pretty early as well. So we just arrived from the Netherlands and we have some time to spare before we can check in at the hotel. So we thought, let's do a little bit exploring here in the south side of Iceland. Let's go.
Yo, Mr. Tom.
Hello.
How do you feel? How do you find Iceland so far?
Amazing.
Amazing?
Nice and cold. So far it's pretty wild. We haven't seen a lot, but check this out. This steam kind of thing. I'm not sure what that is, but the first stop of the day is Danger Hot Spring. So Iceland has a lot of hot springs, a lot of volcanoes as well. Hopefully we're gonna see some lava during this trip. But the first stop, hot spring. Check it out, check the steam. This is insane already. I'm not sure what it is. Well, it's a hot spring, but if you see the steam coming out, it's just crazy. Let's have a closer look. This is pretty intense. Check that out. It's coming our way now. Whoa, check this. This is just insane. You see they built some kind of a bridge over there, but I don't think anyone's gonna use it. It's all seaweed coming from here. Coming up from the ocean apparently. It's pretty cold here. Let's go to the next place. It's too cold here. And before the waves hits us, let's wait. Maybe we see one coming up. Oh, there's a little birds over there as well. Yeah, fuck it, let's go, let's go. Iceland has some one-of-a-kind dish, or you have to watch that where you're walking. It's just ice everywhere. Has some local food that are exceptional, at least I can say. But now we're gonna try some of this local delicacy. I'm not sure if it's Icelandic, it's probably British, but let's try. It seems pretty popular here. Hello.
Shall we get regular portion? This one.
Ah,
For
yeah.
1 each, yeah?
Ah, yeah, that's good, yeah.
Okay. Shall we get just one regular portion? Put it in the thing. Do you want to drink anything?
No, I'm okay, no,
Okay.
no, yeah. We'll eat here.
Yeah.
Maybe a coffee after, but we'll see.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try the chips first. It's a nice seasoning. Nice and crispy. Oh. Yeah. Oh, is it good? Pretty hot. Probably, yeah. Let's put some sauce.
Wow.
Yeah, it just came out of the fryer.
This is so good.
Okay. Oh. Tastes really fresh, yeah.
Yeah, this place is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is
We
this
saw
a,
amazing reviews.
Is this a Icelandic delicate food? Yeah?
Icelandic cod.
Icelandic cod, okay, okay.
Oh, Icelandic cod.
Yeah.
I had fish and chips in London, but this is better. Yeah.
Great. Good to hear it. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, very nice.
Okay guys, the fish is gone. It was absolutely the freshest cod I've ever eaten, right?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, jury was the other week in London and this was much better, she said. No, absolutely good. Okay, now we're gonna go to Reykjavik, the capital of this extraordinary country. So, see you in a bit. Check this out, I've never seen. The whole planet is turned white. Let's continue. Also that side. Okay, we made another little stop here on our way to Reykjavik. I don't know exactly what it is. It's got Jargaria. It's kind of a waterfall. Let's go have a check. We passed Reykjavik. We went a little bit more up north because it's January at the moment. And there's only light between 11 and 4 p.m. for the whole day. So we don't have a lot of time each day to explore in the sunlight. So we thought, let's continue and go to the hotel a little bit later. Ooh. There's some holes here with where the water is going through. Let's have a closer look to the waterfall there. It's pretty intense, this place. This is all ice. Okay guys, we made it to Reykjavik, finally. Check it out, there's one big icy road here. Anyways, I'm gonna end the video here. It's getting dark now, as you can see. It's 4 p.m. and there's many other adventures coming up. Tomorrow we're gonna watch some whales on the boat here on the ocean. So see you in the next one. Bye bye.